Grocery time again.
Okay, so
Hi, Poopy. Say hello to my vlog. Mako, we are in Jumbo. Jumbo is very close to our house. It's closer than Albertine. So we decided to come here and do the grocery here. See, we don't have meat again. Yes. No, not spicy. That is Walter's favorite station. No, don't go there! So Yambo is actually bigger than Albertine in size in Harlingen, and they're more organized because Albertine Harlingen is smaller and it's more compact. And organize ko na lahat ng pinamili namin. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Just wanna show you this. This strawberry, because he's craving for strawberry and this is very expensive. So, we bought one. We bought just one. This is like €3 just for this. Very small. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.